Today has been, I don't know, having, I won't, I won't call it a good day, honestly, because I've lost more than 40 species. That's a 40 today, just today. Yesterday I had like 40 mortalities. Today I'm just going to turn my camera to get to see. These are like, if I start counting how many that I've lost so far, I think I've lost more than, I know I've already reached the 100. Some are still here that we still need to bring out. And they're not yet all out. At that edge, there are still fishes. At that edge, there are still fishes. Dead fishes. When I say fishes, I actually don't mean